Hello guys and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how to update your Google Play Store. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Play Store app on your mobile. Then tap on the profile icon that appears on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on settings. After that, on the bottom of the list, you'll be able to see about section. If you tap on it, you can see the Play Store version. Now under the Play Store version, you'll be able to see the option of update Play Store. If you tap on it and your Google Play Store is up to date, you'll see this pop up, and if you tap on got it, then it'll go back. However, if your Play Store is not up to date or there's an update for Play Store, if you tap on it, your update for Play Store will start shortly. And this is how you can update your Google Play Store. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.